For the last 3 months, Microsoft's stock price has been blocked from moving ahead by two separate powerful Fibonacci channel levels. On July 30th, Microsoft posted earnings and the market loved it. The next day, price vaulted almost 8% up to $555, and then, the same day, promptly dumped back down to $531. The following day, it dumped even more, down to a low of $521. 5 weeks later, by the beginning of September, it hit a low of $492. So what is going on here? Well, the story of the mainstream news is that investors really don't like the huge ramp-up in AI spending for the coming years. That's all they could come up with as an excuse for the dump. They always have to find a believable reason. The real culprit may not be Microsoft's investment plans, but Fibonacci resistance levels could be a big factor. In fact, I believe they were. Here's why. Two long-term fib channels, a long-term blue one and a shorter-term green one, got in the way of the vault up. Those in the know knew this and decided to dump into the retail FOMO. For the next week, they did this and then let the price come back up to test the channel resistance. The test failed, and the only thing for price to do now was to continue down to test support from the two lower levels. Fortunately, the support was strong. The price held firm, and over the next few months, after testing support repeated times, here, and here, price then vaulted back up, expecting earnings to be good, and they were very good. Surprise earnings were up over 12%, but once again, price couldn't penetrate the channel resistance. Sorry, FOMO people, but it failed again, and down we came to where we are today. Just look at all the red on the volume. The moral of this story is don't ignore Fibonacci channels if you want a successful investing experience. It can be painful to do so. We cannot predict the future, but at least we can know why things are happening. I suppose if AI spending is really the cause, then Microsoft stock could crash down through these two support levels. But I really think this support is going to hold. That's it for today, folks. Again, thanks for listening and please subscribe. There's more good stuff to come. Very soon, I'll be back.